Myself Sankar Stode. I am from TYB Tech from CSE department. Now I am showing the minor IC report 2. This is my program. I used NumPy, Pandas, and had Matplotlib and Scikit-learn assembly library in that program. Firstly, I simulated the training data of my program. In that data, I distance, traffic density, and obstacle density, wind speed, and battery drop. That's all are there. And the total cost of synthetic higher traffic and wide and obstruction. The algorithmic prediction of that is here, and that is a machine learning trend. There are traffic density, obstacle density, winds, and battery drop. There are ML model are there, random forest regressor, and third step, create environment. I create environment. There the size, the gain, and random selector presented. And for ML first prediction function, there are and I use for navigation checking for short paths Dijkstra algorithm. Their programmable algorithm is that we will make a function of that algorithm and reconstruct the path and run simulation is there, and last is visualization of that whole project. So I'm going to run that program. This is my output of my program. The machine learning check the perfect path for short distance and detection of obstacle in a forest or in a war zone or in a traffic area. That algorithm are used. There are running of code of use of Dijkstra algorithm, and there is a visualization of dynamic drone path using ML and Dijkstra. This is the path from starting to ending destination. Means displacement between them with checking the obstacle and shortest path. So, thank you.